Only Vertex standard radios have an auto range transpond system, a unique safety feature that informs the user when they are out of communication range of other ARTS-activated radios. When ARTS is activated, the radio is programmed to poll other radios to check communication range. The user will be notified if their radio is in service or out of service range. The radios poll each other at either 25-second or 55-second intervals to continuously check connection status. The VX450 radios also have the new ARTS-2 feature that uses MDC 1200 signaling, which allows a user to know who is out of range, when they are back in range, and even how many radios are in range based on the radio's ID. In this example, we have 3 radios in an engineering department. When Joe has his radio on an ARTS-activated channel, the other radios acknowledge it, as they do when Sam and Jim come online with their radio IDs displayed. Connection status can also be checked with a press of a button. In this example, Jim can see that 2 other radios are in range from the ARTS login menu, both Joe and Sam. If, however, Sam goes out of range, his radio will tone alert him of his status, and he can check by accessing the ARTS login menu to see how many radios and who is or is not in range. In this case, Sam can see there are no other radios in range. Ask your dealer for more information about the exclusive auto range transpond system available in all Vertex standard radios, and new ARTS-2 capability now available in the VX450 series portable and VX4500 and 4600 mobile radios.